So these Valentine's Day treat boxes hold a special secret, and it is not chocolate. I made this really adorable Peanuts themed mini album out of conversation heart candy boxes. Actually, I just cut the boxes down and I used the fronts and the backs that had the two in the front, and I turned the twos and the froms into pockets. First thing I did was cut the conversation heart box down. This is the back piece. And it just was really cute, two from. And I stapled it, and I'm going to make it into a pocket for a tag. Cut down a square. So I'm going to stamp this up. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add this. Honey, of course. Just distressed on that. For these, I got this really cute conversation heart themed ribbon. I'm going to be stapling this down. And then this fits really cutely into the pocket. This is going to be my final page in my mini album. Gotta love Snoopy. And that fits very cutely into the Peanuts box.